How to set up a Robinhood account. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy tips. Now, first of all, download the Robinhood app. So if you use the Android, you can access to, or you go to Google Play Store and type Robinhood and you can install it from there and download it. And if you use the App Store, you can go to App Store and search for Robinhood and now you can download it. After that, open the app and then get started. So now open the app, Robinhood. You will see a green button that says get started. Tap on it to begin sign. After that, fill in your information. Next, enter your name, email, phone number, and address. Robinhood also asks for birthday and social security number. You will see this short name of it. It's called SSN. And this is a number for investing apps in the US. After that, answer a few questions. So Robinhood will ask you for some simple questions about your job and investing experience. Just answer honestly. It is okay if you are new. And now finally, link your bank account. So now it's time to connect your bank accounts. This is how you will add money to Robinhood later. Just follow these tips and choose your bank. So this is how to set up Robinhood accounts. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.